This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We'll do the analysis from the 4 hours time frame to 5 minutes time frame. We'll analyze the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. Please use it as a reference for deciding on your trade entry and exit. It's not a trading advice. I would recommend you to do your own analysis before entering into trade. Let us look at the economic calendar for today. Today is Thursday, June 16th. When we look at the high impacting news, 7 a.m. we have Australian dollar related high impacting news. At 1 p.m. we have Swiss franc related high impacting news. Then at 4:30 p.m. we have British pound related high impacting news. Again at 6 p.m. we have medium impacting news on US dollar currency pairs. So while planning for your trade entry and exit, consider the economic calendar events also so that you don't enter into the trade at the wrong time. Let us begin our analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the current trend of the price action, I'm drawing a resistance line. From this level, the price action continuously fell on a bearish trend. From the level of 1995, it came down. Then it took support around the level of 1832. Then it bounced back. Again, it fell on a bearish trend reversal. And from the support level of 1786, we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish trend. Whether the bullish trend has started or not, when we look at the price action, it has not broken the resistance line over here. And we have noticed the price action to bounce back from this resistance line on the bearish trend. But when we analyze the price action, it has not broken the previous high also. So the bullish trend has not started in 4 hours time frame. And when we look at the previous low also, it has not broken the support level of 1786. So currently the price action in 4 hours time frame is in a sideways. It has tried to break this resistance line and there was not enough bullish momentum and fell on a bearish trend reversal, and it doesn't have enough bearish momentum also, and it is trading on a sideways for now. Let us find out the current resistance and support levels. So when we look at the price action, previously the price action was trading within the resistance level of 1877 to 1829, and it gave breakout from this support level and went near to the support level of 1797, but it didn't have enough bearish momentum to break this support level. Currently we are noticing the bounce back from the support level of 1805. Current price action has momentarily broken this resistance level of 1829. Whether the price action is going to sustain above this level or not, this we have to find out in today's price action analysis, because this level of 1829 had acted as a very strong resistance level and support level in the past. So let us find out whether this is the valid breakout or not. If this breakout fails, we can expect the price action to trade between the support level of 1797 and resistance level of 1829. As long as the price action doesn't break the resistance level of 1877, it is not a bullish trend, and if it doesn't break the support level of 1774, it is not a bearish trend. Currently we are noticing the price action to go on a bullish trend and retrace on a bearish side. Overall, it is on a sideways moving within this resistance level and the support level. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. When we analyze the price action in hourly time frame, I'm drawing a resistance line or the trend line over here. And based on this trend line, the current price action is still trading below this resistance line. It has momentarily tried to break this resistance line. We have noticed the wicks to cross this level, but overall body has closed below this resistance line. So the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is still in a bearish trend. Wait for the price action to break the support level of 1829 in order to take trades on the bearish side. And we are also noticing the price action to form similar to a double top pattern. If you want to get a proper confirmation on the bearish trend reversal, wait for the price action to break the neck level of 1819 in order to confidently go on a bearish side trades. On the other hand, I would recommend you to draw one more trend line or a support line from this level. And if the price action bounces back from this support line, we can take trades on the bullish side. It will also be breaking this resistance line and it will be taking support on this trend line or the support line. In which case, it will be a bullish trend reversal within this resistance level of 1878 and support level of 1829. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this yellow color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back from the resistance level of 1838. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame, when we analyze the price action, here we have the hourly time frame trend line or the support line, and we are noticing the price action to bounce back from the resistance line from the hourly time frame, and it is consolidating within this support and resistance line from the hourly time frame. Wait for the price action to give a directional breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side in order to take a directional trade in 30 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is consolidating between the resistance level of 1844 and support level of 1819. Wait for the price action to give breakout from this range in order to take a directional trade. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. Here in 5 minutes time frame also I am drawing a trend line or a support line, and currently the price action has taken support on this support line and it is in a bullish trend. Wait for the price action to break the previous high of 1841 in order to take trades on the bullish side, and wait for the price action to break the support level of 1829 in order to take the trades on the bearish side. Currently it is trading between the resistance level of 1841 and 1829 in 5 minutes time frame. Within this we are noticing the price action to trend on the bullish side and to bounce back on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1835 and support level of 1832. It is trading within a narrow range for now because there is very low trading volume. Wait for the volume to increase in order to take a directional trades on the bullish side or on the bearish side. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.